It's not just required, it's essential that we know what it is we're building before we start. However, when I say that, I'm not talking about the minutiae. I'm not talking about I need a red button at the top right of the screen that does this. No way. We shouldn't be thinking in those terms. What we should be thinking about is what is the end result I want to achieve. And we start really high level as well. I want my staff to be enjoying their job. I don't want to grow my team size, but I want to scale my impact. I need to reduce my outgoings and I want to increase my profitability. I want to make my workplace a fun place to be. Those are really good outcomes, okay? Because then when you know that that's your end in mind, you can go through the process of analysing, well, how is it now? Once you know how it is now and how you'd like it to be, attention is immediately created. And we do that by saying, okay, what are the things we can do that will mean that we move from here to here? And that's the scope framework. That's understanding the processes that we have and then creating a brand new version of that process that's in line with those end results that we want. How can we make this particular part of our business fun to work? What would it look like if it was profitable? What would I need to implement to make that so? When you start from that end result, all of the minutiae of the how, we're not talking about buttons, we're not talking about forms, we're talking about the way that we carry out our days. And it's much easier to innovate software from that space, and it's actually really enjoyable and really productive to do so.